Because it was perfectly fine before Isaac was like, can't. Fucking.
Look, I said throw it to me. I didn't think he was going to throw it all the way to my left. You're a jackass!
Y'all both are jackasses. Fuck, it's cold, man. We should definitely go get something to eat after this.
We don't have money, but that sounds good because I didn't eat dinner.
You all don't have money?
No, I can spend the rest of the car washing.
I gotta pay a whole bunch of people and have gas money for the next 2 weeks.
That's fair.
Hey, now let's count Isaac.
Who wants to go get hot dogs at Cheats on me?
That does sound good though.
Exactly. Hot dogs are inexpensive, $1 a piece.
Right,
We're good.
really cheap.
Exactly, like $1.
And
We're
they're
good.
smack.
Exactly.
Why is he staring at me like that?
He loves you.
I should have brought my magnets.
You should have.
It's the
We would have
gold
found the
magnet.
camera faster.
Well, you would have.
They're gone. They're on the table.
It would have destroyed it.
True.
Well, actually, not necessarily, because I watch people. The people I watch, they actually magnifish, actually retrieve the cameras. They work.
True. There's some goose shit. Yeah.
And it all depends.
Fuck, it is cold, man.
Man, I almost bought a boat. If my paycheck was more, I would have bought a boat
I have a boat.
for $250. You do?
I have a boat. It has a cabin. Just it looks like the Gilligan's Island boat, but smaller. It can fit. It would fit all of us. It has a 112 engine on it. Me and my dad are thinking about getting it started, selling the engine, getting a 60 because we don't need it to go fast. We just need it to put around, and then we're just gonna use it.
I'll get a license. I can haul it out of my truck.
I can haul it already.
Yeah,
all I need.
Van, you just gotta put a hitch on there.
It already has one.
Oh.
Well, it's in the van. After that, my dad's gonna teach me how to drive a trailer in the next couple months, so we're good. Fuck, I'm cold. I'm
Alright, you're gonna buy the boat. I'm buying jet ski then. So you got
well,
the boat.
I don't
Oh,
need to.
you got the boat.
I got the boat.
I'm getting a jet ski.
You're gonna get a jet ski. We're gonna be good.
Help me!
See you later, dog. No.
Man, losing this camera now.
Now lose the kid.
Get your eyes back.
For real.
Damn, it's deep right here.
That's what he said. Fuck. Oh shit, he's drowning.
I'm drowning.
If I didn't have a camera in my hand, you cocksucker. Wow, you're a fucking seal. I always knew you were the dumbest motherfucker in the lake.
They are dumb too.
What is he doing? The motherfucker just went. Is he tasting the water? I gotta check it, see if it's good enough.
No, I took a dip.
Oh, there he fucking goes.
See my nose out.
Good thing we can't lose your big ass under the water. Oh my god. This is 10 minutes of us finding a camera underwater, and then the other 20 is us making fun of each other.
Eventually you're gonna drown.
Don't worry, I got a tiki nose. They can say whatever the fuck they want.
Well, we'll have Isaac teach you guys how to fish.
What?
You won't
Yeah.
catch anything.
But a camera, I'll catch.
Yeah.
I did find it. It's cool. Fuck if I know. I should have checked when we were up there. Actually, this thing might tell me, for fuck's sake. I don't know. I think it does. Oh, wait, look. That's how new this thing is. What?
I can't break through. It's touching my privates!
Good thing y'all are both minors.
I wasn't even gonna throw him under.
You're not denying the part of like you holding his balls. I wasn't gonna throw him under, but that, you know.
Under his balls, over his stomach.
How do you wear your balls? High-waisted. Seagull. What is that fucking thing?
It's a pelican. Not a pelican, a fucking crane.
Okay,
A crane?
man. What does he do? Build houses?
You didn't say Mexican? Oh. I can say I'm Mexican.
Oh,
I am Mexican. Yeah, that's alright. Is that another camera?
oh, it's a stick.
Damn it. Another, what's with you and
No, I
sticks?
felt like there was a fishing hook right there.
There's another pair.
Well, I wouldn't be feeling it with my foot if I thought it was a fishing hook.
I guess I've had a fishing hook stuck on my knee.
I've had several in my foot.
It's one of the ones where it goes in and then you pull it out and pull stuff out with it. It's not easy. They
Oh,
have to
it's
cut it out.
serrated.
No, it's barbed.
Yeah, it was barbed.
Dude,
They had to go in. They had to
I
remove
was
it from
there.
a
Fisherman. No,
It's
dude.
my fault.
Yeah.
I was someone who put the
Everybody
pictures
no,
there.
like I was running down the stairs. I looked down. I didn't notice until I looked. And everybody was
Hey.
pulled out at home, and I ended up going to the hospital.
Hey, Isaac, catch.
No.
yeah, as long as it's right here.
And when I was in the hospital, it still had the fake dummy, the fake.
No.
No, give me a hug.
No. Back up, bro. He's just going it. No. No. Still above water. Where's the fucking ball? Bro, where did the ball go?
Oh, shit.
Our football.
Oh, shit. It's over there.
Let's go.
Where's it at? It was over there. Hey, this is.
No, I can see it. Air. No, I can literally see it from here.
Where?
It's
Oh,
not-
fuck yeah.
What is that, bro?
Hey, Isaac.
Oh, I thought it was fucking
Catch.
No, fuck that.
Isaac, give me the camera.
No.
Give me the camera. Throw it. I don't give a fuck. I can feel it.
Thank you. Let's go get the ball.
That boy swims.
Yeah. This is how Fat Boy swims. Tutorial, Fat Boy swimming. Weakest link. I said weakest link. Here, you can take the sock. You coming or what?
Don't even think about what you're thinking about with that fucking sock, bro.
He has the sock, idiot. Did you not see me give it to him?
I'm not proving it. I don't gotta prove it.
He's putting it on, dude. It'll be fucking good.
Yeah, my foot is. It's on my foot right now.
You keep getting closer, man.
See, I don't have it. I don't have it.
I can't see shit.
Well, dumbass, come on.
What the fuck did I just step on?
Your mom? Another sock?
Oh, what the fuck
See,
is
I don't
that?
have it. I don't have it. Can you see my hand? Can you see my hand with nothing in it?
Then why
Jesus.
does he keep getting closer?
Because do you see anything in his hand? Why do you run away? You're like a bitch.
I'm like, hey, what you doing underneath that water, bro?
Playing with my dick. What do you think?
Back off!
Welcome to Jackass.
Ew, it's touching.
And I've been holding it. Granted, I'm gonna have athlete's hand.
Been in the water for a while.
I'm gonna have an athlete's hand. Do you know how many fish you're gonna catch and get athlete's foot from?
Dude, how'd you know it was in here for only a day?
Probably. Cause it was brand new.
That's my sock.
Yeah.
Maybe it is after all. He did come in here in his fucking jeans and shit. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Yeah, you better run. Oh shit! World stuff. No, man. I think Moto likes you. Throw the football.
Bro, why the fuck did you run faster than you can swim?
So close.
Bro, I swear I touched the fish.
I can't wait for the sun to go down so I can get out of her fucking face. I'm gonna sock up your ass, homie.
Oh, there.
I'll go one-handed. Throw it long. Yo, one hand. Ah, damn it, so fucking close. the sock.
My sock.
Oh, good shit. Wow. That's what you get.
It was right here. See, he can run faster than he can fucking swim. I don't get it.
Throw me the sock.